Good afternoon. It's June the 30th, end of the month, end of the quarter. We came in this morning with a buyer's bias. Wanted to buy 59s, 61s, the low is 61. We said that if we took out 76.50 right here, next stop was going to be 88. That's where the market ended up. And this information was in your hands at 7 o'clock Central this morning. So our bias was to the buy side. Pretty slow trading starting off, but when we broke it out, it just a slow, steady grind up. So with the idea, you were long in the 63, 64 area. Another trade that would have been a winner. This trade would have been a winner. That trade would have been a winner. That trade would have been a winner. This trade would have been a small winner. There is no sell. Winner, winner, winner. All to the long side. And we started off with the idea. We got our level. Trade above the blue line and stay above the blue line. So again, you have access to information that can make you money if you will take the trades. On our F1 screen, last month's close was 2100. I don't think we'll make that today. We could. But my guess is we're probably going to close it around 2100, and then tomorrow, for the start of a 3-day weekend, the market is usually sideways to higher. I have seen a Thanksgiving sell. I have seen a July the 4th sell, weekend sell, but usually going to trade up. So I think 2100 is within reach tomorrow. Come tomorrow. The F1 screen, higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it. You get the F2 screen. Multiple distributions higher. That was our trading target. So if the market was to close right now, we'd sell failure to take out the overnight high. So we'd be selling failure to take out basically 90.92. We've got an attractor or draw right here. We got a little 93. 94 would be a high volume number, then the low volume number is up at 2109, so 2100, which would be where we close next month. So I would jump it up to 99, 2101 for sell 2. On the buy side, last rotate down started at 80, so 79 to 81 buy 1, and then 74, 76 buy 2. So basically trying to buy 75s, 80s. Selling failure to take out and hold 93, and like the short side of the long side of the market better going into tomorrow's market, just like we did this morning. It's hard to believe at the end of the day that you could have this type of price forecasting, this type of trading information, but once you understand structure, once you understand the context of the market, which would be end of the month, into the quarter today would be in play, then you can start making these kind of calls. These calls are good enough in the morning that, 2 out of 3 times you can just buy or sell the opening. You got to have a wider stop and then disappear. Hard to do, easy to talk about, but hard to do. Okay, lower high, lower low on the note. You can find a place to sell it if we fail to take out resistance. We'll be looking at a P if you put it all together, and a B if you just look at the day session. So we tend to have a little more volume in the bottom in this congestion area. There's the center line right there, so it tends to lean a little bit more volume wise to the downside, and it's got the shape of a B too. But so selling failure to take out 33.04 to 8, sell 1, 3 to 7, and if the E-mini 11 to 15 for sell 2. If the E-mini is selling, we don't want any part of the short side. All the central bankers in the world have told us that interest rates are going to be lower. 25 to 29, buy 1. 17 to 21, buy 2. Looking at the 30-year. Okay, last rotate up started at 01. We're at 19, so 24 to 28. Be first resistance 31 to 03, sell 1. 11 to 15, sell 2. On the buy side, way down here at 172 even. We're at 19, so 8 to 12. Number 1, 1 to 5, buy 1. And 25 to 29, buy 2. I still like treasuries to the long side. This is a volatile contract. I sit back and look at these numbers and I wonder, gosh, how can we make this our number 2 sell points or buy points? We don't have any trouble making because of the volatility in this contract. It's a big contract. It moves, and it moves daily, and it honors support and resistance, and it trades fundamentals most of the time. And so it eliminates that confusion that we get with the E-mini from time to time. Wow, the news is good, we're up. We're lower, the news is bad, we're higher. Inside day on gold trading range tomorrow, that's probably right. They like 4 or 5 day weekends in New York City. They'll definitely be leaving early. D pattern leading P. We do have a tail. I do like the long side of the market, so we'll open it up to the upside on the sell. 28 to 30, sell 1. 34, 36, sell 2. On the buy side, 19 to 21. And then 16 to 14 for number 2 buy. Crude oil really got slammed, and we talk about the market doesn't let you make easy money, and they'll see something happening and they'll take it away from you. So our 1427 bar may be gone. It started much earlier today. It was the same trade. Rallied all day, sell it. Sold all day, buy it. Inside day on F1, trading range day. You can see we're just kind of trading around the central price at 49. Fundamentals are bearish. Doesn't mean the market will sell though. Definitely a B. Take out the W tail right there. It's probably pretty close, about as close as you can get to a D. So looking for a move out of the 48.75 area. Selling 75s to the buck, sell 1. 25 to 50, sell 2. On the buy side, 48, 48 and a quarter, buy 1. Be a little shy on that trade than 47.50, 47 and a quarter, buy 2. Maybe not a lot will happen tomorrow. I know the back in the old days that the energy industry was pretty generous on their vacation policies. That may still be the case. And a lot of the activity, because of you can buy or sell the close in crude plus or minus 2 cents, has taken away a lot of the play by hedgers. looking at the euro. Got hit pretty hard today. Outside day, trading range day on F1. We're going to look at a B on with the moves down starting in F period or F2. That's what the day session looks like. Do the F split. You can see it. So we've got a buyer at 1075, 111 even, 110.75. So 1075, 1050 is pretty good support, and we've got a seller definitely 1150 or higher. So it's a pretty tight range right in here. We're at 18, so 40 to 50 sell 1, 75 to 85 sell 2. On the buy side, 1075 buy 1, 1050 buy 2. Very slow going to the upside on this market. It moves down in a hurry, so that's the natural way that the market wants to trade. That's it for June 30th, end of the quarter, end of the month. I'll see you all bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening. Our fireworks around the city begin tonight, so the kids will be happy, the parents will be happy, and a lot of dogs will be miserable, including mine. Y'all have a great evening. I'll see you bright and early in the morning.